Dear students, welcome to the classroom. Today we are going to learn our new lesson of information technology. In previous lesson we have learned about uses of a computer, and in this video we will learn about keyboard. Hello dear students, the keyboard is one of my main parts. It helps you in typing letters, numbers and so on. Just as you use a pencil to write on paper, the keyboard helps you to write on me. Dear students, a keyboard has many keys. These keys have letters, numbers, and symbols written on them. You can type text and carry out many other functions using these keys. A standard keyboard has 104 keys. Nowadays, keyboards which have shortcut keys for frequently used functions such as volume control, playing music, checking mails are also available. Dear students, the keyboard that we use today is known as a QWERTY keyboard. This name comes from the first 6 letters of the alphabet keys. So dear students, in this video we have learned some basic information of keyboard, and in next video we will learn about keys in detail.